Okay, so I'm here with Matt Jeunesse from MicroLoc. Now, this product is manufactured here in the UK, but he's looking for overseas representation. Matt, where do you sell this product, and who around the world can access it, and where would they go to?
Well, at the moment we cover most of Europe, apart from Germany actually, so we're looking for representation in Germany, and we're looking in the United States, but most of Europe and the Far East is already covered.
We say it's manufactured in the UK. Is every aspect of this manufactured in the UK? And if it is, how easy and what sort of lead times can people expect? I know it's dependent on the style of the product or the size of the product they're buying, but yeah, how long would it take to get one of these overseas?
Well, we do a selection of kits that we have on the shelf, but a customised system, you're normally looking at a 4-week delivery. So if it was Europe, then a few days on top of that.
Now, important to add, if you haven't seen the MicroLoc kit before, this is a flexible, versatile work holding system for machining centres, horizontals, but beyond that as well, I suppose, grinding machines, whatever needs to hold a part.
Yes, exactly, but predominantly 3-axis vertical machining centres, and we've been doing a lot of cubes for horizontal machines.
Where's the value in it, and what's the advantage to using this over a traditional vise?
Well, it will do anything a vise will do, but it's a lot more versatile, and it's a referencing system as well, so it will do anything a vise will do, but you're holding your parts in known datum positions. Okay,
now there are plenty of videos on the MTD CNC channels of this kit in action, so you can visit the website to see that. Finally, Matthew, on price, where do you stand on price? Is this an expensive product, or is it what kind of return on investment can you get as a result of using this flexible kit?
Well, it's a quality product, more expensive than the cheap Chinese alternatives, but cheaper than German competition. Mainly the fact that it's manufactured in the UK by ourselves.
Well, that gives you an export advantage at the moment as well, doesn't it?
It certainly does, and that's why we've been very successful in France and Italy this year. But like I said, I could do with finding a good agent in Germany.
Okay, so top quality work holding solutions here. Great for VMCs, horizontals and other machine tools. If you are, firstly, if you're looking to buy this product, obviously you can do that through MicroLoc Direct. But if you're also looking to take on a product overseas and represent a solution like this, then get in contact with the guys here. Is it microloc.com?
MicroLoc.com, yes.
Good stuff. Thank you very much.